Hi there, today I'm going to give you an intro to HSL, the best color model for readability. And color models are just ways in which we represent colors. That includes HSL, RGB, and hex. So let's just first look at hexadecimal format. So it's just red, green, and blue, but in hexadecimal format. The problem with this is that it's very difficult to intuitively guess the color. Just by looking at this, could you tell me what color it represents? If you can, then you're some sort of super genius. But if you can't, then that's okay because it's a very difficult format to intuitively decipher. And next we've got RGB, which is just the same as hex, but in decimal format. Next we've got HSL, which I will go over in a few slides. But first, I want to tell you that all of these color models represent the same color, this happy green. Let's put them all side by side. So this is a concise format, but it is very difficult to decipher. And then next we've got RGB, which is long and still has the same problem as hex format. Next we got HSL, which I'm going to explain right now. So here's our intro to HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Now what's hue? Hue is the pure color. Colors like yellow, purple, and blue. Now what's saturation? It's the intensity of the color. So here's a saturated red and here's a desaturated red. Now let's actually look at an example. I set up a web page which is just a single paragraph and some CSS. So we have the color in HSL format. Now I can change the saturation by going left and right. If I were perfectly going left and right, this would be the only property that would change. Now I can change the hue of it just by changing this, and you can see that only this part is changing. If I wanted to change the lightness, which is this part, I would go like this. Now let me just manually change that right here just so that it's more precise. Now I've got a lighter one, and now we have a darker one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this, and bye.